So what is the meaning of life membership fees? It is a one-time payment made by the members in lump sum. And what is its nature? Its nature is that it is a capital receipt, and accounting treatment will be what? In balance sheet on liability side, it will be added to the capital fund. So life membership fees is treated as capital receipt and it is not considered under income and expenditure account as a receipt. It is only written in the balance sheet on liability side. So remember this. Next, second item is entrance fees. Entrance fees means admission fees. It is paid only once by the members at the time of becoming a member. In some organizations, it is treated as revenue received, such as in case of educational organizations, it is treated as a revenue received and it will be written as an income under the income and expenditure account. But in some organizations, such as clubs, etc., because the entrance fees is of large amount, so it is considered in those organizations as capital receipt and it will be shown on the liability side of balance sheet. So there are two treatments of entrance fees. In some books it will be treated as revenue receipt and in other books it will be treated as capital receipts, but both are correct. Third is donations. What does it mean, donations? It is a gift in cash or property received from a person. And the donations may be of two types, specific donations and general donations. Specific donations are those donations which are given for specified purpose. And general donations are those donations which can be used for any purpose. And what is the nature of specific donation? Its nature is that it is a capital receipt and it will be written on the liability side under the specific fund. And what is the accounting treatment of general donations? It is considered as revenue receipt and shown as income under the income and expenditure account. So next item is legacies. What is the meaning of legacies? It is the amount received as per the will of deceased person. It is a capital receipt and it will be shown on the liability side under capital fund. So next, fifth item is sale of periodicals. It means sale of magazines, etc. It is a revenue receipt and it will be shown as an income under the income and expenditure account. So all revenue receipts, all revenue expenditures are shown under income and expenditure account, and all capital receipts and capital expenditures are shown under balance sheet. So remember this thing. Next item is sale of used sports material. If the organization is selling the used sports material such as old balls, bats, nets, etc. are sold, it will be considered as revenue received and it will be shown as an income under the income and expenditure account. So next is stock of sports material. Stock of sports material is a capital expenditure and it will be written on the asset side of the balance sheet. But if in the question sports material consumed is given, it will be treated as revenue expenditure and will be debited to the income and expenditure account. So next item is sale of old assets such as sale of furniture, etc. Any gain or loss on the sale of fixed asset is treated as revenue received or revenue expenditure. If it is a revenue, if it is a gain, then it will be treated as an income, and if it is a loss, it will be treated as an expenditure. And what is its accounting treatment? Gain or loss will be written in the income and expenditure account, while the sale of asset result in increase in cash, and the second effect is that it will result in decrease in the amount of asset also. So the next treatment is payment of honorarium. What does it mean? Payment made to honor someone is known as honorarium, and it is made to that person who is not the regular employee but gives some type of his services, or we can say that for example, and payment made to an artist for giving performance in the club is the honorarium. What will be its nature? Its nature is revenue. Honorarium is treated as revenue expenditure, and it will be debited to the income and expenditure account. Next is endowment fund. Endowment fund is what? It is a fund arising from gift, the income of which is devoted for the specific purpose. So it is gift for specific purpose, and it should be treated as capital received and shown on liability side of the balance sheet. So note down these things, accounting treatments. Next item is government grant. We know that some schools, colleges, public hospitals depends upon government grant for their activities, and there are two types of treatment of government grant. First, it will be considered as revenue received if received for the current year only, such as for maintenance purpose. If received, then it will be treated as revenue received and will be shown as an income under the income and expenditure account. But if it is received for some building purpose, then it will be treated as capital received, and it will be shown on the liability side under that specific fund, building fund, etc. It will be shown on the liability side. So there are two treatments of government grant. Next is subsidy. Subsidy means cash subsidy received from the government, and it will be treated as revenue received and shown as income under the income and expenditure account.